Exploring the characteristics of Arabic letters. Unveiling the intricacies of Arabic script. Introduction. Understanding Arabic letters is fundamental to gaining proficiency in the Arabic language and unlocking the rich cultural heritage embedded within its written form. Arabic alphabet overview. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters, written from right to left. Each letter has a distinct shape and sound. Arabic letters are connected when written in a word, creating a flowing script. The script can change depending on the position of the letter within the word. Arabic letters can be classified as either consonants or vowels. Consonants are the main building blocks of words, while vowels are indicated by diacritic marks. The Arabic alphabet is used to write not only Arabic but also several other languages, such as Persian, Urdu, and Kurdish. It has been adapted to accommodate the sounds of these languages. Basic characteristics. 1. Right to left script. Arabic letters are written and read from right to left, which is the opposite of most other languages that use a left to right script. This characteristic is deeply rooted in the Arabic language and is an important part of its identity. 2. Connected letters. Arabic letters are typically connected to each other when written in a word. This characteristic contributes to the unique and distinctive appearance of Arabic script and requires specific letter forms to be used when writing. 3. Diacritical marks. Arabic letters can be modified with diacritical marks to indicate vowels, consonant doubling, or pronunciation variations. These marks are placed above or below the letters and play a crucial role in accurate reading and pronunciation of Arabic words. 4. Cursive nature. Arabic letters have a cursive nature, meaning that they are written in a flowing style with minimal lifting of the pen or pencil. This characteristic gives Arabic script a sense of rhythm and elegance, making it visually appealing. Dotting system. B. This letter is distinguished by one dot placed below it. It is pronounced as B in English. T. This letter is marked by toe dots above it. It is pronounced as T in English. TH. This letter is characterized by 3 dots above it. It is pronounced as TH in English. J. This letter is identified by a single dot below it. It is pronounced as J in English. Ligatures and connectedness. Ligature, lam aleph, in Arabic script, the combination of the letters lam and aleph forms a ligature where the two letters are joined together, creating a unique shape that represents the sound la. This ligature is commonly used in words such as Allah and Alhamdulillah. Ligature, sinya, the combination of the letters sin and ya forms a ligature in Arabic script. This ligature is used to represent the sound si and is commonly found in words like salam and sabr. Connectedness, tamarbuta. The letter tamarbuta is a unique letter in Arabic script that is always connected to the preceding letter. It is commonly used at the end of words and has a distinct circular shape. Examples include words like kitab, book, and madrasa, school. Connectedness, ka-aleph. The combination of the letters ka and aleph forms a connected shape in Arabic script. This connectedness occurs when the letter ka is written above the letter aleph, creating a unique form that represents the sound ka. Examples include words like care, good, and khalid, eternal. Conclusion. Understanding the characteristics of Arabic letters is crucial for effective communication and proper pronunciation in the Arabic language.